Hey y'all, this is Joe from Thornton, Kentucky. Welcome back to my channel. Today, my daughter and I are going to be making a Christmas tabletop decoration. But first things first, hot chocolate for baby girl and hot tea for mama, orange spice. I love orange spice tea. And she loves hot chocolate, especially with marshmallows. So you're going to see us make that first, and then we'll get on with making our tabletop decoration. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite holiday drink is.
Is say hello, Lila. Hi. Lila and I are going to do a hurricane net project, and you're going to use one clear vase we got at the Goodwill, and some snowflakes that we got at Walmart. Looks $2.88. I think we've had these for years and we've never used them, so we're going to use them today. We need one ornament, and it is a tin house with snow. Sparkly snow and a cardinal, which I love cardinals, and we're going to use that in there. And we thought we would dress this one up with a little bit of LED lighting. Dad, how sparkly is that? So we'll put sparkles inside and a little bit of gold ribbon. So we could do that. Now, we are prepared with everything we need to do the project, the child, and all of the items that we need. And we have hot cocoa and cookies and Mama's cookies and hot tea. So here we go. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
So first things first, we started with a very clean vase. I had to wash it with soap and water and then with glass cleaner so that it shined really good because we didn't want any fingerprints showing through. We had a little bit of a delay here because Mama forgot something for the crafts, and that was the scissors. I didn't want to take the chance of ripping that snowflake bag open and having them fly all over the kitchen. After a little bit of hot chocolate, here we go. We're going to put the fairy lights in the bottom first. Those fairy lights came from the Dollar Tree. You can get them in different colors. Some of them have ornaments on them. I've seen them with snowflakes. And baby girl has some with gnomes draped across the top of her bed. They are adorable. Now we cut open the bag of snowflakes carefully. Again, you don't want to sweep these up out of the kitchen. I can't imagine trying to get these up out of the floor. So we carefully pour those in the hurricane lamp on top of the fairy lights that we've got in the bottom. Get all those snowflakes in there. Don't leave any out. And then try to make sure that the fairy lights stay underneath the snowflakes. This took a little bit. Me and baby girl both trying to make sure that we got them in there right. Smush those down in there. Get them under the snow. We didn't want them to be seen on the top. Next comes the ornament. This ornament had a little burlap string that we used to hang it from the Christmas tree. But I went ahead and cut that off. You can see me here trying to get that middle bit out of the top. It just was not coming. So I decided to leave it in place. Put the ornament down in there. Push it down in nice and snug so it looks like it's been buried in the snow. Straighten it out so you're happy with that. Now, once baby girl's happy with where her ornament is, it's time to put some gold ribbon around the vase and finish up your project. So once you have the length that you want, you go ahead and tie that ribbon around the vase. We put it around the top because we didn't want to hide the ornament. You can use whatever type of ribbon you got. You can buy something special. You can hot glue a bow on the front of the glass if you'd like. We just use what we had to hand. And if you're like me, when you get gifts and they have really nice ribbon on them, we don't throw the ribbon away. Just put it in a box in the basement and hold on to it for crafts like this or for decorating, just any little project that we might want to do. Baby girl's helping Mommy secure the ribbon to the back of the vase, and now she's going to hold it in place so that I can get it good and tight and tie a little bow in the front. Now that you've got the ribbon right where you want it, it's time to dovetail those ends. Make sure that they're even. Here I'm showing baby girl how to make dovetail points on the ribbon and how to cut those properly. All you do is fold it in half and cut it at an angle. So we're going to do that and finish up this project for our table. All done. Thank you for spending time with us. We really enjoyed doing this together. We really hope that you enjoyed watching. Thank you. And if you like what you're watching, please hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for coming. Have a beautiful day and God bless.